What up guys, welcome back to the Fox Den, and today we are going to paint the brake calipers on the G37. So here's what I'm using. This is a brush on paint kit. Looks cheap, but it's actually really expensive. This is what it comes with. Comes with the actual paint, the agent that makes the paint dry, which you put in there and mix in, brush, and brake cleaner. Plenty of other YouTube videos on this, so that's just a quick little overview. Alright, so the next step is to open up the paint and get the agent in there. And we are going with red. So obviously you will have to jack up the car to do this. The first step is to take the brake cleaner that it comes with and spray down your calipers. Let that dry for a second, and then you wipe it off. Just do a little bit at a time because you don't want it to run everywhere. And these calipers are pretty big, so it might take some time to do this. And I'm going to paint the back of the pads as well because I'm not going to sit here and try and mask that off, because you have to paint on the inside of this caliper like this, and you're gonna get paint on the pads, so we're just gonna paint those two. It's not really the end of the world. Now, I highly recommend that you mask off your rotors, but being that this is in my garage, we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that. And here it is after the second coat, and you can see it looks a little bit brighter now, so really looking good. It took longer than I thought it would, but anyway, we're going to move on to the rest of the calipers. Alright guys, that is it. The calipers are painted, and with that, the G37 is finished. It is the way I want it to be. Happy with the performance, happy with how it looks. I've done everything I wanted to do. So now, we just got to give it a nice detail, and then just enjoy it. Be on the lookout for a transformation video that will be coming out in a couple weeks time. Some cinematic shots of the car and all the stuff, show what it used to look like. Just a little spoiler for you guys. But anyway, make sure you subscribe for that, because that'll be a really awesome video. So hope you guys enjoyed this. I will put a link to the caliper paint in the description if you are interested. I highly recommend it. It's so much easier than taking your calipers off and dealing with the spray paint, dealing with all the overspray. It's just so much more effective. It's worth the money. If you're looking to paint your calipers, it's definitely worth picking up and trying out. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed the G37 build. Most of it was documented on Instagram. Very little of it was documented here on YouTube. But like I said, look out for the transformation video. It's going to be awesome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And remember, life is too short to stay stuck, and it's only illegal if you get caught. Stay foxy.